Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Marketprofile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just a educational video wherein I am recording my mindset and emotions while trading. So, a day before yesterday, I had a perspective that, as per activity record, it was a seller was dominant. But initially, market opened a gap up, so buyers were there. But overall, if you see, sellers were dominant throughout that day. Apart from that, high gap up opening. So I was having a you see that when this scenario comes, that is when market is down, lower volume, higher value area trend is strong. That is what it indicates. So since it was a higher opening, there was a strong trend which will be showing as a bullish trend. So before entering the market, I had that perspective, and since it was a huge gap opening, I thought even though it will be a bullish trend, it can be some sort of a balancing type. Means it can be a neutral or a non-trend kind of a day. So that was my view before entering the market. And market opened inside the value area. It went till yesterday's opening and then came down, and it almost went like in a bracket, like an oscillating way. So, but it was somewhat bullish in the closing. So my view was correct, and as per my strategy, my entry was a bearish. But I had revised my strategy that if I'm having a neutral kind of a day, I won't enter any trade. So, and I was sure it will be some what kind of bracket kind of a movement. So the day exactly behaved like that. Can see in the thing, it's, one time frame if we see, initially it was open inside value area, it went high, it came down, then B period also it was somewhat a neutral kind, then in D period it gave a above A period, so it will be bullish, and again after G period you can see the transition became, and it went down, and almost it was trading it around that previous day value area. So almost my view was correct, but I did not take a trade because my strategy insisted. So this is the strategy, um, and I did not enter a trade because if I had entered, it might have gone to a loss. So last two trading days, I've indicated in my videos that I won't be entering a trade when I'm having a somewhat a neutral kind of a perspective. So again, coming to the mindset, I was disciplined and my conviction was also correct, and I stick on to my strategy. So I was able to preserve my money. So that is the key point. Preserve your money, and whenever you find a great move, just move on to it. So today also, as per the activity record, it is showing somewhat kind of a balancing kind of a setup. It is slowing and balancing. So we need to see the trend, how it is moving, and it is going to be an expiry. I expect an expiry at around 25,100, that range. That is my view. So we'll see how it is going to work. Thank you.